In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a border to a photo in Canva. Whether you're touching up an image for social media, a presentation, or just giving it a creative boost, adding a border can make your photo pop instantly. It's simple to do, and you don't need any design experience. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and upload the photo you want to work with. Once your photo is on the canvas, click directly on it. You'll see a toolbar appear above the image. That's where all your editing options live. Make sure the image is selected so the edit tools stay active. Next, look up at the toolbar and click on Edit Image. This will open Canva's editing panel on the left side of your screen. Scroll down until you find a section called Shadows. Now, it might sound odd to look for a border under Shadows, but this is actually where Canva hides its outline feature. Click on Shadows and then select Outline. Once you click Outline, Canva will automatically apply a simple border effect around your image. From here, you can start customizing it. First, let's pick a color. In the outline settings, click the color icon. A palette will appear, giving you tons of options, from basic tones to vibrant shades. You can also use the color picker tool if you want to match your border to something specific in your photo or brand colors. After you choose a color, it'll update immediately on your image, so you can see how it looks in real time. If you're not happy with the first choice, try a few others until you find one that complements your picture best. Now, let's adjust the thickness of the border. In the same outline settings, you'll see a slider that controls how bold or subtle the border appears. Move it left for a thinner edge or right for a thicker one. Play around until it fits the style you're going for. You can also tweak the transparency if you want a softer glowing effect instead of a solid line. These small adjustments can make a big difference, especially if you're using the image for professional or creative projects. Once you're happy with the look, take a moment to zoom out and see how your design feels overall. Borders can do a lot. They draw attention, create contrast, and give photos a clean, finished look. And that's it. You've just learned how to add a border to a photo in Canva. It's a quick and easy trick that makes your images look polished and intentional. Try experimenting with different colors, thicknesses, and styles to find what works best for your project. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a like and check out more Canva tips on the channel. Thanks for watching and happy designing.